right, what's up, everybody? We'll at least get this done today. I do have Leaf Exotic Football going right now, one box break, little one there, and then probably do a bigger break tomorrow with more cards, that kind of thing. All right, this is two Gold Rush Series 2 baseball jerseys. So this is a little different format than how we normally do it. Normally do more than two at a time, but these things have gotten a little more expensive, so I'm trying to keep the price point down. So 10 spots. It was pick one player, get 9 random. We kept one spot, sold the rest. So here we go. Kind of relatively low risk, high reward here. So good luck, everybody. Oh, cool. It's not bad. That, my friends, that's Jose Canseco. Jose Canseco on an A's jersey. Let's see who has him. Jimmy. There you go. That's not bad. Jimmy taking home Jose Canseco. That's fun. Beckett cert on that one. Congrats, man. Alright, this will be like the fastest break ever. And we'll find out together on this one. Here we go. Oh, that's nice. That's really nice. I've got one of these. Mark. This is a cool hit, man. That's Lou Brock. Lou Brock to you, Mark. That's a cool hit, man. Congrats. JSA cert there. Those are 2 solid hits. 2 solid retired guys. Not bad at all. Alright, guys, that's it. That's the whole break. So Jimmy with Jose Canseco and Mark hitting Lou Brock. That's a cool hit, man. I like it. All right, guys, that's gonna do it. Let's fill Exotic. It's just one box. There's only 4 spots left. Y'all jump in, and we'll get that done today too. Thanks, guys. See you in a bit.